Gray water constitutes your water from all of your sinks throughout your home except for your kitchen, your clothes washer, your showers, and your baths. Technically, gray water in Nebraska is considered part of your wastewater. And with that, in an effort to protect human health and environmental health, we don't want to use gray water. You have to have a permit, a discharge permit from the Nebraska Department of Environment and Energy, and it would have to go through some sort of treatment in order to use it. The reasons why is because gray water often has chemicals and solids and other microorganisms that can be detrimental to the health of humans and the environment. Well, the number one thing you want to do is know the moisture of your soil. And so to do that, you can use a screwdriver or a soil moisture probe. And you want to stick it either in your turf or in your garden dirt, a good 8 to 10 inches, and see how easy it is to push that down and pull it out. The harder it is to push it in and pull it out means that your soil is dry and it's in need of watering. So only water when you need to. When you have an irrigation system for your turf, or sometimes people have them for their gardens, you want to make sure that it's not on a setting that's going to just automatically run on a schedule. You want to put it to manual. And that way you can test your soil moisture first and then know if you need to turn it on or not. Good habit to get into is to have a good 2 inches of mulch around your trees and your plants and such within your landscape as well as in a vegetable garden. This really helps retain soil moisture and will help you not have to water near as often. If you're looking particularly in your landscape for good plants to plant so that you don't have to water as often, you also don't necessarily need to fertilize as often and use pest products as often, are your native plants, the ones that are known to survive in your landscape. They often have deeper roots. They also help form part of the Earth's natural filtration system. They help prevent erosion. And you won't normally have to fertilize or use pest control products on those as well. Other plants that aren't as adapt to our area and to our environment here in Nebraska tend to use more water and they need more upkeep. And so that's why we kind of deter from using those, especially in drought years that drought is bound to happen.